Welcome back. Today we're going to be answering the question, will AI take over my job? I mean, this has been the story all around. You hear AI will take your job, AI will replace human being, there will no job again, AI is taking over the jobs. All those news are everywhere. Now, what is the truth? The truth is that AI is actually taking people's job. All right, there are people whose job has been taken over by AI, and there are several millions of people whose jobs will be taken over by AI. But that's not the real issue. The real issue is that AI is creating more opportunities than the disadvantages that people are seeing. The opportunities that are being created by AI is huge and enormous. All right, so it's like in those days when computers became mainstream. I mean, when computers became things that everybody must use, we had people who call typists, people who use this typewriter to type letters and all that. Who replaced them? Of course, computer took over their job, but computer really take over their job? No. What happened is that their job moved from being a typist to something else. So the real thing is in learning AI. Learning AI skill, understanding how to use AI even on your current job. So that if tomorrow your current job is something that is no longer lucrative based on the fact that it has been automated, you can still do other things based on the skills you have acquired. For instance, the typist who learned how to use computer moved from being a typist to administrative worker or secretary or something, whatever, but the name may change, right? But they became more valuable because they can now type using the computer. But not only typing alone, they can create spreadsheets, they can do other things while using computer. Before it was just typing letter, type, but now they can use the computer to type the same letter, right? Create spreadsheets, do other things like do graphics with CorelDRAW, send emails, and do other things which now qualify them to be called administrative staff or bigger name, bigger money, because they were now earning more. Rather than earning just a meager salary like as a typist, they are now earning more being an office administrative staff and other things. Now, as computer evolved, most people could now do what the typist could do because they can type on their own. I mean, if you want to type letter now, how many people will go to the business center to type a letter or to go to somewhere? Most people can do that, but still, there are still some specialized. So as you evolve, as you learn more skill, you become better, you earn more, and you live better. So what you need to do now is not to be scared whether AI will take over your job or whether AI, will displace you. No, AI, of course, will displace people who refuse to learn, people who refuse to upskill. Those are the people that will be displaced and they will not find any job. For instance, if a typist said, well, this computer thing, I am not interested, I am not going to learn computer, I must stay with my typewriter, what will happen to that typist? You lose your job, you become obsolete, and hunger will finish you. But the typist who learned computer became more valuable, became better, earned more salary, and lived happier. So now AI is the in thing. Learn how to use AI. Firstly, on your current job, how can you utilize AI to make your job better, to do your job smarter, to make things faster, to save more money for your organization? How can you utilize AI once you learn that? That's the first phase. The second phase, you begin to learn what can you even create with AI independently that can make you money. As you gather these skills, what happens to you? You become better, you become more valuable, you earn more money, you live happier. So don't be afraid, because AI is even going to create more jobs according to research. All right, research says that AI will even create more jobs than the one AI is taking away. So let's say AI is going to take away 300 million jobs. AI will even create more than 500 million jobs, meaning that AI will do us better than doing us evil. So don't concentrate on the naysayers, don't concentrate on all the bad news, don't concentrate on all the rumors. Concentrate on yourself first, right? Learn the skill. Don't just hear about it. Go and learn how to utilize AI to do your current job, to become better, to create more wealth for yourself, to solve problems, to become more valuable. So that is what you need to do now. And talking about that, we have something cooking. A new course is on the way. AI that will help professionals and business owners. There's a new course that is coming up. If you're interested in this course that will help you learn AI, zero code, zero technical, but you're going to understand how to use it for your career, for your job, for your business, to grow, to make things faster, to make more money, that course is on the way. And if you want to join the waiting list, just type waiting in the comment section, because that course will soon be live. So I will see you again in another exciting video.